Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this Dutch braided wig. So if you love this wig, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I shared with you a tutorial on how to make a Dutch braided wig without using the feeding method, but I have a tutorial on how to make this exact style. I actually shared the video on my member only channel, so if you want to know how to make this style, guys, please join my member only channel. I'll be sharing more tutorials and also unique styles on my member only, but also will be sharing the tutorials on this main page. So guys, again, just make sure you join my member only page. So this is how it looked, guys. Just comment down below if you love this style, and then also if you're interested in this wig or any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just comment down below if you love this style, if you love this color. This is color 350 and color 1. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.